Opening. Hello everyone and welcome to the WebProjects CS channel. I am Abdul Wahid Khaira, the founder of this channel dedicated to learning and training for young entrepreneurs and web developers. Channel Overview. At WebProjects, we focus on training young individuals aspiring to invest in electronic commerce, also known as e-commerce. Here, you'll find practical tutorials, strategic advice, and tips to succeed in the world of online business. For entrepreneurs. Whether you dream of launching your own online store, exploring e-commerce opportunities, or simply want to enhance your skills in digital marketing, this channel is for you. We cover everything from creating an online store to managing social media, helping you thrive in the digital realm. For developers. To all passionate web developers, you are also welcome. We provide content specifically for you, ranging from best web development practices to creating high-performing e-commerce sites. Stay tuned for in-depth tutorials and programming tips. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss any of our videos. Join our community and engage with other web enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us, and see you soon on WebProjects.